A guide to user-centered design principles. User-centered design (UCD) is crucial for creating websites that are both functional and enjoyable for users. Here's a guide to incorporating UCD principles into your website design process. Understand your users. Conduct thorough user research to understand your target audience's needs, preferences, and behaviors. Surveys and interviews. Collect qualitative data to gain insights into user needs. Personas. Create detailed personas to represent different segments of your audience. User scenarios. Develop scenarios to understand how users will interact with your website in real-life contexts. Involve users in the design process. Engage users at various stages of the design process to ensure their needs and feedback are considered. Co-design sessions. Collaborate with users during brainstorming and ideation. Prototyping and usability testing. Create prototypes and conduct usability tests to gather user feedback and make necessary adjustments. Focus on usability. Ensure that your website is easy to use and navigate. Simplicity and clarity. Avoid unnecessary elements that clutter the interface. Consistent design. Maintain consistency in layout, design patterns, and terminology. Accessibility. Follow accessibility guidelines to ensure your website is usable by everyone, including those with disabilities. Design for emotion. Consider the emotional impact of your website's design. Aesthetics. Use appealing visual design elements such as colors, typography, and imagery. Engagement. Incorporate interactive elements that engage users and evoke positive emotions. Feedback. Provide clear feedback for user actions to improve their experience. Optimize for context of use. Understand the context in which users will interact with your website. Responsive design. Ensure your website is optimized for various devices and screen sizes. Performance. Optimize load times and ensure smooth interactions. User tasks. Design workflows that support users in completing their tasks efficiently. Iterative design. Adopt an iterative approach to continually improve your website based on user feedback. Design Evaluate Redesign cycle. Continuously refine your design based on user feedback and testing results. Rapid prototyping. Develop quick prototypes to test ideas early and often. Continuous improvement. Regularly update your website to keep up with user needs and industry trends. Provide a holistic user experience. Ensure a seamless and cohesive user experience across all touchpoints. Consistent branding. Maintain a consistent brand identity across your website and other digital platforms. Multi-channel integration. Ensure your website works well with other channels, such as mobile apps and social media. End-to-end experience. Consider the entire user journey, from discovery to post-usage support. Conclusion. Incorporating user-centered design principles into your website design process can lead to a more intuitive, engaging, and successful website. By understanding your users, involving them in the design process, focusing on usability and emotional design, optimizing for context, adopting an iterative approach, and providing a holistic user experience, you can create a website that meets the needs and preferences of your audience. This not only enhances user satisfaction but also drives better engagement and conversions, ultimately contributing to the success of your online presence.